Manual work looks responsible, but it quietly drains you. Manual work looks harmless. You send the email manually, you copy the numbers yourself, you rename the file, you double-check the same thing again. Each task takes a few minutes, nothing dramatic, so it feels manageable. But manual work does not only cost time, it costs attention. Every manual step creates a small decision. When should I send this? Did I already update that? Where did I save the file? Did I forget anything? These are micro decisions. They seem small, but they stack up. Effect number 1. Cognitive drain. Manual work creates open loops in your head. You remember the invoice you still need to send. You remember the spreadsheet you must update. You remember the message you should follow up on. Even when you are not working on them, they sit in the background. They take up space. Then comes context switching. You start writing something important. A notification appears. You switch. Then you go back, but not fully. Your focus is thinner. Manual processes increase these switches because you are the connector between steps. You are the trigger. You are the reminder system. Nothing moves unless you move it. Over time, this creates decision fatigue. Not from big choices, from constant tiny ones. Should I do this now or later? Is this version correct? Did I already handle that? You feel tired, but you cannot point to a single heavy task. It is the accumulation. Effect number 2. Performance leak. When your attention is drained, your output changes. You start slower. You hesitate more. You reread things twice. Small mistakes increase. You forget attachments. You miss details. You send something slightly unfinished. Then you fix it. Rework becomes normal. You tell yourself you just need to be more careful. But the problem is not care. It is load. Manual work fills your mental bandwidth with maintenance. So when it is time to think clearly or create something meaningful, there is less energy available. This is why the idea, "it's only a few minutes here and there," is misleading. 5 minutes repeated 20 times a day is not just time. It is interruption. It is friction. It is 20 small resets of your attention. And attention does not instantly recover. Another common belief is, "I just need more discipline." Discipline helps you start. It does not reduce mental overhead. You can force yourself to push through manual steps, but you still pay the cognitive cost. You still carry the open loops. You still switch contexts. You still make the same small decisions. More discipline on top of a draining system often leads to exhaustion, not improvement. Manual work can also feel safer. You believe you are in control because you touch every step, but touching every step means you carry every step. You become the bottleneck, and bottlenecks are fragile. If you are tired, everything slows down. If you are distracted, errors increase. If you are busy, things wait. The drain is subtle. It shows up as slower mornings, as resistance before starting, as that feeling of always being slightly behind. Nothing is broken, but nothing flows. And in hindsight, it becomes obvious. It was not a lack of talent, not a lack of ambition, not even a lack of time. It was mental load. Manual work does not look dangerous. It looks responsible. But when you carry too many small steps in your head, your quality drops quietly. Your focus weakens. Your consistency suffers. Your energy spreads thin. And the worst part is that it feels normal until you remove some of it. Then you realize how much space it was taking. Manual work is not just about minutes. It is about attention. And attention is the real resource that shapes the quality of everything you do.